Hello everyone, myself Shivkumar Aravatgimot, working as a lecturer in Automobile Engineering Department at BLD's SSM Polytechnic, Vijaypur. About my qualification is MTech in Machine Design and I have 8 years of experience in the teaching field and 1 year of experience in the industry as a design engineer. And about our department which is started in the year 1986 and it has a well equipped laboratories to improve the skills and knowledge of practicals. And our college will also provide the scholarship facility for the meritorious students.
Hi, I am Mayur Kerimat and I am working as a lecturer in Automobile Department of BLD's Sri Sanganbaswa Mahaswamiji Polytechnic since 2011. I feel very happy and honored to share few words of Automobile Department. Automobile Department was started in the year 1986. Presently, department is having a highly qualified, experienced teaching resources coupled with modern laboratories. Many of our passed out students are working in multinational companies like Tata, Toyota, Maruti Suzuki, as well as in government sectors like Transport Department, KSRTC, BMTC. Presently, department is offering 60 intake per academic year. With this, I appeal for the students who are really interested in automotive domain can opt Automobile Department of BLD's Sri Sanganbaswa Mahaswamiji Polytechnic, Vijaypur as their career option. So within 3 years of duration, Automobile Department as well as institute will take every care and responsibility which will mold the budding engineers as per industrial needs. Thank you.
Namaskar, myself Ashok Kama, working as a lecturer at BLD's SSM Polytechnic Vijaypur, and my qualification is MTech in Production Technology. And now I am going to tell you about the admission of the diploma. After completion of the SSLC, you can opt for the diploma education. And to take admission diploma in automobile engineering, you should complete 16 years of age. And for the ITI students also, we have third semester direct entry, and even PUC science students can also take the admission for third semester lateral entry. Now I am going to tell you about the opportunities after completion of the diploma in automobile engineering. After completion of the diploma in automobile engineering, you can start your own business, starting with garage or else automobile spare part shop, and even you can go for private industries as a design engineer or any other designation, and you can go for government sectors like KSRTC and RTO as a vehicle inspector. I'm proud to say many of our students are already working in KSRTC and even in BMTC Bangalore. One of the students of our department is already working as a vehicle inspector, and I'm request all the parents and interested candidates to take the admission in our polytechnic, because this is one of the best polytechnic in Vijaypur. Thank you.
Today I am going to talk about my college when I joined in 2007 and passed out in 2010, and I am an old student now. 2010 means it's been 10 years I passed out from that college, and earlier we were in old building, and then when we started our career in BLD's Polytechnic, they shifted entire Polytechnic into a separate building, and that is like very beautiful building, and they have all amenities into it, and they do have facilities all lab facilities in place, and they have separate library. And if you ask me about that college, like I spent a very good 3 years time in that college, especially in automobile department. We were around 35 students all together, and all were awesome batchmates. And if you want, this was the like best time I ever had in my life, 2007 to 2010. And if you want to become a practical engineer, I would suggest to join that college, BLD's Polytechnic College. And that enhances you professionally and practically. You will become an engineer, a professional engineer at the end of your course. And I scored distinction throughout my all semesters, because that credit goes to all the faculties who taught me very good lessons on time. And they even helped me for CET. And there is a CET for joining engineering. And like each and every semester, like they were very curious to help the students for their higher education even. And those who are like not interested for higher education, they helped in practical way to get a job after diploma. And where I was like interested for higher education, and they focused me on like how we can score the CET. And finally I scored 216 rank in Karnataka, and I got into I got a very famous college, MS Ramaya, after completing my diploma in BLD's Polytechnic. And if you really want to join that college, I would suggest go ahead and do the admissions, because that's one of the best college I have ever seen.